What's up, beautiful people? It's your girl LaTerRRRR, and welcome to my channel. Hey LS fam, before we get into it, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe so you can join the LS fam. With that being said, let's get right into it. Step 1. You want to part your hair in 4 big sections like I am doing right now. If you prefer to part it in sections of 2s or 3s or etc., it is fine. There is no wrong way. Be sure that each section is evenly parted. Once that is done, you want to braid each section to your desired size. So that I can grip her hair, I use the even edge control. This is my go-to right now. You can purchase it from any LBS, and this brand has a variety you can choose from as well. I decided to do medium length braids starting from the back. Again, this was my desired size, but the method will work on any size. I recommend that someone help you if you're first starting off because it will help you finish up the braiding process a little faster. Now that I'm done braiding her hair down, I will use the Marley braid hair and the free tress beach curl hair to achieve the lock look. First, you want to stretch out your Marley hair. Next, you want to grab your beach curl hair in a needle. You want to push the needle through the middle of the braid and attach the beach curl hair onto the needle and just put it right through. Since I am doing medium goddess locks, I'm going to take one side of the beach curl and pull it all the way down to the middle of her back, which will leave a quarter of her hair on the other side. Easy, huh? Okay, so if you didn't catch it, I'll do it again. Stretch Marley hair, grab your beach curl hair, push your needle through the middle of your hair, attach your beach curl hair to your needle, and pull through. Align your hair to the length that you want it as well. Now you're going to take your Marley hair and place about 3 inches of it in your hand along with the beach curl in your braid. You're going to take the longer end of the Marley hair and wrap it around the start of the braid. Be sure that you wrap it around at least 5 times, no more than that, to make sure that it is secure and that it won't unravel. I'm going to do it again. Take your Marley hair, wrap it around your braid, pull the long Marley hair around and overlap it. If you plan on doing this by yourself, I wouldn't suggest long goddess locks, only because your hand will get tired and it will start to cramp up a little bit. So if you're going to be doing this, definitely do like a shorter length, or if you have somebody that is willing to help you, then you can do whatever length you would like to do. Once the top is secured, you want to continue to overlap the Marley hair over all of the hair. You want to work your way all the way down to your desired length. Be sure that you are not twisting the hair that is in your hand, because that will cause the Marley hair to twist as well. It should be just flat. It shouldn't look like a twist. It should be just flat going all the way down. You want to use your hand to keep control of the hair as well, like I am doing right now. If your hair is a little thicker and longer, I do suggest that you use 2 strands of Marley hair. Just be sure that you're stretching it out as well. Now that I am getting closer to being at the end, I'm going to seal the end of my hair by tying a little tie with the beach curl hair around the end of it. If you decide that you don't want to tie a little tie around it, you can get a lighter and just burn the hair and twist it to keep it at that position that it's at. Now that you see that I am moving along, I'm going to repeat step 3 for all of the same braids. You want to stretch the hair, take your crochet needle and pull the hair through. Then you want to go ahead and wrap at the start of the braid until it's secure enough for you to go ahead and wrap all the way down to your desired length. Once you have achieved your desired length, remember you're going to seal your ends by either tying a tie using the beach curl hair because it's thin and not visible, or either just taking a lighter and just burning the end. But I prefer to just tie it. That's just me, so that's what I did for all of the locks. Again, you're going to repeat steps 3 and 4. If you mess up, don't worry about it. You can always go back and redo them once you get done with your head, so that way you don't have to constantly stay on one braid. Also, goddess locks tend to be a little messy compared to faux locks, because faux locks are a little more stiffer than goddess locks. Goddess locks are loose. It's supposed to be a little loose and flowy. It's supposed to look natural. Okay, so I did have to readjust my camera so that you can see that I am working my way all the way down to the end of her hair. And you can see that it's going to be about a little bit in the middle of her back, like closer a little bit to her tailbone. Okay, you guys, I have finally made it up to the top. I only had about 3 or 4 more left when I was doing this, but Lord, I was tired, no lie. I just want to say that once I was done, I was able to go back through the hair and refix some of the ones that was coming unloose. My hand did start to get a little tired, so thank God for my cousin for able to finish the ones that were loose for me, because I was tired by the time I got up to the front. Now let's have a real chat. Guys, yes. And this is just something that I wanted to try for like a minute, but we're finally doing it. So yes, I really love how these turned out. No, I am not a hairstylist. I don't want to be a hairstylist. I got my own stylist for that. So no. Shout out to Koi, okay? But no, I'm not trying to be a hairstylist. I just want to try this, and it turned out pretty good. Now you guys, let's give you a short story, okay?
These folks don't want to hear this.
Look, back in our college days, Miriam asked me to braid her hair, and I was like, all right. And I'm talking about braids like individuals, okay? Now, mind you, I just started my new job. They was finna get ready to go out of town because it was spring break. And I was like, okay, I'll braid your hair. You know, I'm coming off of work, braiding this girl hair and all.
Watch her take it down in 3 days. 3 days. 3 days.
Since then, I had yet to touch her head. I said I was not going to touch her head anymore. Like, I was like, look, don't ask me to braid your hair. Don't even ask me to wash, blow dry, or straighten your hair. I was so upset, you guys. After 3 days, she took these braids down. You know what? That was a lot of hard work that I had to do. And I don't think she understood.
It all resembles Christ, because on the 3rd day he got up with all power in his hands.
This ain't got nothing to do with Jesus. A month ago, my cousin wanted to try to do her own faux locks, which we did. It turned out pretty good for our first time. This is my second time. I asked Miriam to do this because I was like, look, she asked me when I told her that I learned how to do them.
I did.
She asked me. At first I was like, nah, sis, because remember last time?
We got to leave the past in the past.
Look, but I was like, remember last time?
But I'm grateful, son. God is light.
So I was like, okay, you know what? I'm going to actually do your faux locks for my YouTube channel because I really wanted to record this and let you guys know how easy it is to do.
And make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Okay?
Of course. It did take a lot of hours, a few hours.
Yeah.
But they came out pretty good. Like, I know a lot of people are probably trying to save money, so this is a way for you to save money if you don't want to pay the $300 or the $200 or however much it costs to get faux locks. So this is a very inexpensive way to do. And the hair, I think we got 5 packs of Marley braid hair, which I showed you guys in the beginning of the video, and 3 packs of the beach curl tresses hair, which I showed in the beginning of the video as well. We have a pack of each left. We probably would have had more, but when I started in the back, like the back is a little smaller. If you can see, it's a little smaller. That's because I was only using 1 string of hair out of the Marley pack as well as the beach curl pack. But then I was like, no, this is it's not as thick as I want it to be. So I decided to just go ahead and do the 2 strands of the Marley hair as well as the beach curl, and they came out nice. I did add some beach curls, like just some fillers in the top of the faux locks, or the goddess locks, just to give it a little more. But this is the final product. What do you guys think? I mean, I really
let us
like
know.
them. These are really good. Okay, come through. Come through.
They don't hurt either.
Yeah, I made sure I didn't do them tight. But yeah, they don't hurt.
No tension. I'm gonna have my edges after this.
But yeah, I really like these. Okay, you guys, so that concludes my video today. I will leave the name of the hair down below, what edge control I use, as well as mousse to put on the ends of her hair. So if you want to see more tutorials of me doing hair or any makeup or just anything, just leave a comment down below. Remember to give this video a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe to my channel. Turn your bell notification on so you can know when I drop the next video. And as always, later.